Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily add captions to your videos in one click on the CapCut apps. So here I've already imported a video with conversations, and I want to make captions from that conversation, but to make it easier you just need to use the auto caption feature. So what you need to do is go to tags at the bottom and click on the auto captions. Here select the language of the clip. There are lots of languages that can be detected on CapCut, and select the sound source. And if you want, you can also add animation. I'm going to add this animations right here, and then after that just click on start. Wait for the magic to happen. Okay, so just like that, the auto caption has been created, and this is the result.
And which of your movies would you most want to make a sequel of? Critically acclaimed.
Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there. And also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks below. Thank you.